Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Anzen here, your pop culture beauty guru, coming to you from the glam capital, Palm Springs, California. Today, we're diving into the world of glow. Okay? I'm talking highlighters, baby. Okay, we got some highlighters. Get them cheekbones, highlight all those little brows, accentuate your face. Again, it's Erin Anzen here, and I've spent the past 16 years in beauty, doing hair and makeup. I've seen it all, from bridezillas to backstage meltdowns. Palm Springs is a great spot for celebrities, vacationing, tourism, so much culture, pop culture that's always happening here in the heart of Palm Springs. Think of this channel as your backstage pass to the beauty pop culture guru. Now let's get glowing. Okay, so now today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite highlighters. It is from Rare Beauty. I love this highlighter. It comes in a beautiful little compact. Yeah, so Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter called Enlighten. Enlighten is my favorite highlighter because it comes in this beautiful little compact. Or let's go ahead and take it out first. Ooh, come on, take her out. Let's see what she got going on in here. Ooh, so the Rare Beauty comes in this beautiful, small, round compact. Really cute. When you open it up, boom. Let me see if you can kind of see that. You can kind of see this pearlescent. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, right there. Get that through there. You can see this beautiful pearlescent highlighter. It's just fantastic. Rare Beauty is more than just a makeup brand, okay? It is Selena Gomez's love letter to beauty. Let's be real. If there's anyone who can light up a room and take it into a beauty brand, it is our girl, Selena Gomez, okay? Rare Beauty was launched in 2020. So she's coming up on 5 years old this year, okay, everyone? So she's had a little bit of traction. She's had a little bit of word out there. This was also awarded the Best of Beauty in Allure Magazine 2024, okay? This is smooth, seamless, and delicious for your cheekbones, highlighter, whatever you need, whatever you want. So now let's get going and let's apply. So you can apply to the cheekbone. You can apply to, the little cupid's bow. Do whatever you want, wherever you want to accentuate. Let's get to highlighting. All right, let's get glowing. So I'm just going to get a small little amount right here. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, instantly you can see the highlighter just does the job. Okay, that was just one swipe. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now I'm just gonna like fan it out just a little bit just to get a little bit of a blend there. Oh, okay. The light is just hitting it just right. Okay, let me do the other cheek because it's so nice. Oh, I mean, do you just see once I apply? Oh, it's stunning. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's see. Oh, so freaking nice. Look at this. I mean, it is so nice. I mean, the light just hits it so natural. I'm just gonna do a little bit here, put a little here, a little bit right there. Oh, yes, this is phenomenal. This really works so well into your skin. I mean, even though this is a powder, it does start to give you a little bit of that dewy look. Ooh, look at that. Like when the light just hits it, I just look hydrated, refreshed. Okay. Luminescent, enlighten me with this highlighter, hon. Oh, the way the light just picks it up. Yes, yes, yes. This is a good highlighter to use every day to just highlight your day. You just want to highlight your day. Selena said it best. You are rare. So embrace your glow, your quirks, your everything, because you're one of a kind, babe. Have you tried the Rare Beauty highlighter? Or do you have a holy grail highlighter that you like. Drop it in the comments if you have a highlighter that you would like me to try. All right, that concludes our video. Thanks for watching, babes. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And hit that bell. And remember, your glow is your superpower. Until next time, stay radiant. Goodbye.